What's up, homies? So basically, I got this airbag on eBay. I found it. So I got it for like 85 bucks. It's used. There weren't a lot of options, I don't think. I mean, I don't know when I ordered this, but it just came in tonight. So if I didn't find an airbag, then I was just gonna go for like a 4th gen swap and get the little buttons on the side, because that would be nice, because you know, I don't plan on doing too much power wise to this truck. I'm gonna leave it stock for a while, other than the exhaust, because that's just fun. But I do want to get somewhat of a stereo going in here. I'm trying to fit a 10-inch sub in here. I'm trying to figure out where the best spot is. I've seen it. Oh, that's for a different video. Anyway, we're gonna be putting on this airbag tonight. One of the biggest things in this is I basically just want it to look like it's functional in there, but really it's not going to be functional, because I'm not going to hook it up, because I don't care. That's the last time I ever want to experience my face. I don't ever want to have to find another one of these again. The further time goes on and the older these trucks become, harder the parts are to find. So I'm going to put this on, and that's going to be that. So let's do it. All right, so basically, drop the steering wheel down, 10 millimeter, Pittsburgh. It's the best, just kidding, it's totally not. Bottom of the line. Anyway, they're 10 millimeters. They're just right in the back of the steering wheel, like on the 4 back corners of the steering wheel. Hey guys, you don't have to have your battery plugged in to move your steering wheel. You just gotta be a man. After this part, the inside will be complete. All I gotta do left on the inside is get the sound system hooked up, and then it will be Gucci. All right, I got my Ford nuts out. Now, for the fun part. Ooh. Look at the, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Pittsburgh. I didn't buy these. Okay. Yikes. That's gross. It just looks like it belongs in like an old home. It's like it melted or something. I don't know. I don't know what these look like. I mean, this is my first time ever doing this, so I don't even know. But I mean, yeah, super strange. Probably just gonna leave this hanging in there like that. You know, why not? Oh, battery's disconnected. Oh yeah, look. It got hot in here or something, because there's like a little burn mark. That's super weird. Yeah, like I said, I'm not plugging it in. Doesn't even look like it can. I mean, that thing's like, that thing's melted. That thing's shredded. Glad I wasn't planning on that, or that would have been a total setback, and we would totally not be having a good time. Maybe I should put this in now. Maybe, I don't know. Should we? Click that sucker in there. Just, ooh, that's nice. That's real nice. And then it looks like the back of the cruise thing, on the back of the steering wheel, there could be 2 Phillips that go in the back of there to hold it. But, yeah. But, probably don't care, because I just, I don't care. Let's put these things back on. I would turn the radio on for you guys, but I don't have a freaking antenna. Gosh. I don't know why people gotta be so rude like that. Tip. When you're doing this, so you're not just holding all the freaking pressure on the wheel. I mean, for you, it's probably easier. I mean, your truck probably starts. Actually, if you're doing an airbag, I don't even know. But if it does, you can probably just turn the truck on, have the power steering move it. But if you don't, turn it, hold it there, turn the key off, and let it rest. And then it'll stay there. And that's pretty nice, because then you're not holding all that freaking pressure. All right, it does look, I mean, if you compare the two, it does look a little bit faded, but I mean, that's okay. I can live with that. Can put some kind of detail and stuff on there to spruce it up a bit. give it a deeper shine. But the only other piece in this interior that's like kind of trashy is this. I kind of broke this like a little bit ago, so it's just kind of in here. But that basically wraps up this video. I'm trying to do these videos. I mean, it's freaking dark outside. It's cold. It's like snowing, and there's no heater in here, and I'm cold, and my glass is fogging up. And thanks for watching. Thank you, each and every one that is subscribed. If you're not subscribed, freaking subscribe. Be a member of the channel, because why not? It's a great place to be. Again, thanks for watching. Have a nice night. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Leave a comment if you can answer one of my questions. And yeah, until next time.